Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, you're highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. I already had a video in my channel which talked about how we got a beautiful flawless foundation of this particular model. If you love what you see, go back to my channel and watch that particular video. But for today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about the lip, a very simple lip combo tutorial, and I'm sure you'll be so interested to watch it. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video, guys. Welcome back to our tutorial for today. So if you know you're here, come on, answer your name and answer present. Please guys, if you've not, please kindly like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you've not as well. Don't forget to share this video because I'm be teaching out educating tutorials that is going to benefit you and benefit your household. You understand, that your neighborhood as well. Which girlie do not want to have a very simple lippy like this? Which girlie? None, right? So share this to all your neighbor, to everyone in your neighborhood. They will be so happy you did share that. So today we're just going to be having a very simple tutorial. You understand, I'm breaking the teas bit by bit so that you get to understand every single thing I post on my channel, not just uploading videos for uploading sake, but for uploading valuable content that will be useful to you and your neighbors and your friends and family. Do you get? So today, because of we are doing this, so let me teach you guys how to actually line your lip, how to mix more than one lippies, how to use lipsticks, lip gloss, like mix them. You can go all out for different kind of lippies. You can always combine 3 different lipsticks. You can combine lip glosses, like you can combine things actually on the lip and it will still look beautiful and magnificent. So let me take you guys through today's class. So I've already line the lip, and you saw the way I was lining that lip. While I was lining it, I was blending at the same time, and even when I was done lining it, I blended. This particular lipstick palette I'm using is from Imagic, and it usually comes handy because it has various nude colors. It has red colors as well, but I love the nude colors in it. So because I want something to match the skin tone of the model and also the eyes, I'm also going to bring our next tutorial, which is going to be on Sunday by 6 p.m. We're going to be talking about these eyes. You see this way this eyes is shining, the way this eyes is sweet. We're going to be talking about these eyes, but for today, let us remember where we are like this. So now when I finish applying that middle part, you see the way I blended it. I did not fast forward this video. I am just blending it wildly so that you'll be seeing. I will blend this end, I will come back again, blend the other end light-handedly, and you see the way everything was properly blended. It's not looking as if it's one lipstick that they use for everything, but no, we used 2 lip stains, you understand, for this lip. So you just blend it. Don't allow harsh line. Anyway you see harsh line, blend it out. I only have one fluffy brush for blending. I have one flat brush that I use to apply. Do you understand? Then with the tip of your brush like this, you can also use. So now I'm using this pink gloss from Blossom. So you can use the pink gloss for the middle of the lip, and you see how beautiful that is. It's as easy as that too. So when you see people wearing lip combo, you'll be like, how do they do it? You can do it as well. It's not that hard. You get? So when I was done with that middle part, I decided to use this my clear gloss from TalkGlam, and smoothing everything, and you see how beautiful the lip came. Just lovely, sumptuous, beautiful. You too can achieve something as lovely as this. So what are you waiting for? Create your own lippy. You can always merge other colors as well. If you are a red fan, whatever color you are, you can always match. So guys, I will definitely see you in my next video, but before that, do not forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, share and subscribe to my channel if you've not. I love you guys. Bye.